So anyway, guys, this is Sambani Pizangvasele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Have a choose please take care of yourself. I love you guys. Singam Jaja Umpumelele. We can say a lot in Umpumelele, but if there's one thing we cannot take away from him, he has given over your guys a platform. Guys, it's not easy. This industry is very hard. For you to get to 1K on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, it's not that easy. For you to get that brand deal, it's not that easy. Name, guys, they carry so much power kule industry, guys. So yesterday Usne posted it over you guys with a caption, "I'm proud of you," and people started following Usne saying what we are proud for you, showing love to you guys. One thing about this fans is like you guys, as long as you say good things and go for you guys, they're gonna follow you like nobody's business. So Usne right now she's getting followers because of the picture you got for your guys. Some are saying, "Oh, go to you just need to post it for your guys alone. There's no need for you to post it." Uterelo, guys, we all know that right now Uterelo and guys, they are doing so that they are using their platform to make money. Honestly speaking, all of them, they are doing so well, guys. I don't think guys she's doing better than Terelo, or Uterelo she's doing better than guys. They are equal. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care. First of all, I love you. Bye.